Okay, guys. So, I'm going to start off playing the new beta for the Marvel Avengers game. Super excited about this one. I don't know if you guys have seen too much on this thing. What we got here? Normal roster here. Start off with normal. Let's see what we got.
You know that old saying?
Nice.
Never meet your heroes.
Got a whole helicarrier.
Well,
I guess if you're the Avengers, you'd have your own.
I did. And it was awesome.
Parade day and stuff too. Nice.
The Avengers were everything I imagined.
Hello, San Francisco!
Trouble.
Thor, Tony, check it out. At once. Try to keep up.
And I guess they're not wasting any time with this, huh?
Yeah, obviously. Figured I'd let you catch up. Whoa! This just got a whole lot more interesting.
Explosions. A lot of them.
Thor, see if you can clear a path on the bridge.
I did think it was kind of weird that they based them out of San Francisco of all places. You don't really think, bad guy trouble stuff. I think it's San Francisco at least. Alright. More gameplay. Nice.
You are not worth.
Definitely not holding back with him. Oh, come on, come on. Alright. Dodging.
What's your status?
There are mortals
A
trapped.
little awkward,
Lots of small
but this is a
angry
beta
men
at the same
with
time.
guns.
I
go.
just caught a bus.
That's,
Maybe I should have had a bigger breakfast this morning.
come on, come here. There you go. Nice. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Thor, thanks for the assist. We got civilians trapped behind those
Easy,
barricades.
easy.
Understood. Stay behind me. I will deal with them.
We got you, Thor.
Graphics are beautiful. Like, I feel like I am really watching it like a movie.
This should be fun.
Right?
Thor,
Oh,
who are we dealing with here?
Did
Oh.
not introduce themselves.
okay, okay.
Hang on, those guns are shield issue.
I dig it.
I'll get Commander Hill on the
Oh,
line.
oh.
Cap, they picked today for a reason.
Come here.
I'm staying with the Chimera until we figure out
Yeah,
what's going
yeah,
on.
yeah. You would think they would be sending these guys flying through these like vehicles and stuff, though. No. Oof.
Thor, thank you.
Stay down. Help is on the way.
Okay. Keeping it going. These guys didn't take very long to cause a lot of destruction. Come here. You know what, if I was a bad guy, I would not just want to be, you know, like a gun and like a black suit just going against Thor and all people. Come here. Get you my fist. Bop, bop, bop. Yeah. Yeah. Get him.
Who said you could have all the fun?
These little cone things there. You guys see that? There you go. Those little things on the ground. What is that? Oh, is this combo? Whoa! Ultimate attack, I guess. Jesus. There we go.
Pretty impressive.
Let him have it.
Surprised?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ooh, cocky. I like that.
Iron Man, what are you doing? Help me out. Oh, what? Okay. Ah, the reverse. Gotta figure out the lock-on system real quick. It does go back and forth, but oh, they got shields
Shield.
on the guns. Interesting. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Should close more ground quicker. Alright, come here. Ooh. Oh, air combo. There you go. Yeah, come on, Tony. Shoot him.
Night's not over,
Shoot that.
Doc.
How many of these guys are there?
Hey, get back here.
Oh, we Iron Man? Oh, hell yeah. Let's go. What?
Just got confirmation.
Nice.
A shield convoy was hijacked this morning.
Oh,
From one of Fury's morning briefs I never read.
dodge and shoot at the
Tony,
same time.
those are important.
Come on, come on.
Whatever.
Get him. Not as easy as it looks. You would think this advanced AI system would lock on.
Those rockets are doing a lot of damage.
Yeah, I know. I built the
There we
damn
go.
things.
No one down. Come on. Oh, come on.
Cap, we should secure the Terrigen crystal.
Also kind of hard to believe these guys are faster than
Saul
20
is
seconds.
heading down to the reactor chamber now.
Pop, pop. Yeah. Oh. Not good.
Stay behind cover. All right. Which one of you B-movie extras shouted?
All right. Smart talk. Oh, snap.
The convoy is carrying classified
I think I
shield.
just murdered that man.
Fury is tracking down the
Oh.
full manifest.
Sonic.
How's the
Okay.
cat?
Oh,
Tell Fury I really love being shot at with
I
my
can't
own
punch
weapon.
through that.
We'll keep you updated, and Goose is fine.
Ha, nice.
It's in the
Maybe
air.
we're listening
Oh,
to that.
God. No. Get away. Get him. Oh, gotta shoot. Oh. Womp. Alright, let's fail at that spectacularly. A little awkward. Just shoot him. Got used to playing Thor for a second there. Iron Man him is completely different. Oh, snap. Did I hit something?
You'd think
Tinker.
these idiots would be running away by now.
Boom.
Check the feeling we're playing.
Okay,
catch
that
up.
works.
There's something else going
Shoot out
on
of the
here.
sky. Come here. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Gosh. There you go. Definitely interesting mechanics. Not used to this. Let's see if I can get closer to him. Oh, God. He was tearing me up. Alright, come on. Oh, God. Come here. I feel like he's slow. Oh, there we go. Close that gap. I think he's a little slower than Thor. Oh, nope. Not that way. Nope. Come on. Where are there boundaries? I thought this was the open world. It's only so much open. There we go. Eat it. Get you. There we go. I feel like he would have like. Maybe they're just waiting to show us more stuff later on.
Tony!
Cannons. So I feel like Tony has a shit ton more weapons at his disposal in the suit than this.
Nothing. Everything's just peachy. I'm just hoping these guys don't have.
They're just waiting to show that later. Oh! Those are big. Oh, God.
They've got pulsar tanks.
Yeah, eat this.
Cap, that ship's not ready for flight. Why is it moving?
Someone's initiated the security protocols. The Chimera's autopilot has taken over.
You'll need backup. We're heading back.
That's not good.
Negative. Secure the bridge.
Oh, that thing was just for
weapons
show.
can't get into the city.
Copy that. You're up, Bruce.
Oh. Here comes the Hulk. Hell yeah. I've seen this part in the trailer. And I was probably looking forward to this the most. I feel like they had Hulk 15 years ago. Oh, it was great. Oh, I would be wetting myself. Oh my God. What, I got Loki hitting him with it or something? Jeez. Oh. Yeah, I would be wetting myself if I was one of these dudes, no matter what weapons I have. Okay, God, this is so different. Each of these characters play so drastically different from the rest. Bop. Oh. Bop. Oh, come here. Oh. Beat him with another dude. Alright, let's go. Oh, nice. Whoa. Okay. Jump. Dive. Jump. Oh, there we go. Boom. Oh, wow, I just swatted that thing. Oh, this is funny. Wow, okay. Yeet. So just bulldoze over everything. Monkey run. Jump. Oh. Yes. God, this bridge is gone.
Annoying little guys, aren't they?
Oh.
On my way.
Oh, the big Macho Man Randy Savage elbow drop. Ah, get off the bridge. Pretty sure some of these guys are dead. Here we go. You again. Ah! Man, this is the entire group right there. Come here. Got it. Swat that. Oh, okay.
You know, I was thinking today was going to be one thing.
Go.
And funnel cakes.
I feel like our Hulk was moving faster in this though. Yeah. This works. This must trap on the bridge. Oh.
Talk to me.
Those tanks are doing a number on the bridge.
Jump.
It could fall if we don't take them out.
Yeah, so far the Hulk's the most fun.
Guys, can't take much more punishment.
Ooh. Oh, thunder. What? What? Okay. I can get behind that.
Got eyes on him. Hulk, bringing in
Yeah, I
the
feel like he's
Quinjet
much
from
easier to play than the first two. Ooh. Ah! Whoa. Oh, yeah, we just got here. Bop. So this and that. Okay. Blue fire. Nice. Ah. Oh, what's up, Tasha?
Inventions
Oh.
are dangerous.
We doing a group
Doc.
shot?
Hey, those weapons were meant for the good guys.
Oh,
Is
he
that
mad.
supposed to be a joke?
Not the time. Get your heads in the game.
Yeah, shut up, Thor.
Cap,
What the
what's
hell?
going on over there?
Not sure, Nat. Seems like the reactor's malfunctioning.
Oh,
I'm getting
Cap's
strange
on the
readings
ship.
on the monitors, like we're being pulled to a heat signal in the bay. Down!
Uh-oh. Whoa.
Nat, it's going to this.
What now?
Repeat that, Cap. I'm having trouble hearing.
Nat, do you read?
We got cat. Oh, ambush. Not today. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Here we go. Rah! Oh, that's so awesome.
All hands. Chimera is
I'm not gonna lie, Cap's always been my favorite
Evacuate
picture.
the civilians.
Oh, choke slam. Alright. Not the biggest fan. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, no. Not the biggest fan of his
Do you read?
costume in this, but I think pretty much everybody said that.
Nat!
Oh.
Carlton, are you there?
From what I understand, you're gonna have different skins on this thing.
Captain, we have a problem.
So, it won't have to be just this one.
Hijack the Chimera.
Not bad.
Oh, there
I've
we go.
never seen readings like these.
I'll get to you as soon as I can.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ah, get out of here. Weak shit. Yeah, I'm be interested to see what kind of skins they have for these guys. Oh! Get some air. Oh, you can't hit him on the ground? That sucks. I'll absolutely pick a terrorist while he's down. Okay, that hurt. Oh! Airborne. Man, these sonic cannons are annoying. Oh, no! Oh, there we go. That was awkward for a second. There we go. I got him.
Carlton,
Okay.
I need an update.
The reactor won't stabilize.
Oh, it'd be cool if they had Winter Soldier in this too eventually.
Down it into a gas. Something below is feeding energy.
Pretty sure. They're gonna have some more DLC characters so you can count for the Do you think some brass
I'll
knuckles
get
with
back to you.
electricity are gonna help you against me? Come here. Yeah. Man, I am wrecking this room.
The ship can't take
Oh!
more of this.
I'm trying.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the Avengers are killing some of these guys.
Carlton,
Oh, no. What the hell is that? Oh,
Avengers,
it's
do you
cheating.
read? What's happening out there?
Yeah!
Avengers, report.
Let's defy some physics. Get him. Get him.
Shepherd in my sights.
God, how many guys are there? Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh,
if you can hear me,
nice.
the convoy is transporting a highly lethal
The cat might
sonic
have just taken the
disruptor
shit
bomb.
down himself.
Our enemies intend to detonate it within the city.
Uh-oh.
We're going down.
I
Yeah, those
repeat,
people on the
a
front are
sonic
dead.
disruptor bomb.
Sure.
Secure the asset at once.
Oh no. Oh, is that a baby Miss Marvel? Oh no. What a dick. Help the kid.
Are you kidding me? Thought the UN outlawed those years ago.
Let's have a look, shall we?
Oh. That's handy. Whoa. We got a monster truck rally now? What is this? Oh, is this Taskmaster? Taskmaster? Yep, I think so. This dude's brave for not having any powers going up against those four. Nope. Never mind. He has a jetpack.
We need to get that detonator. That bomb goes off, it could liquefy everything within a 10-mile radius.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Get him. Oh. Uh-oh.
I'll handle the break.
There she blows. Oh. Alright. Like what? Like those. That's the way that suit fits, though. Oh, come on, come on. Ah! Oh, nice.
Here's one. Called kicking your ass.
Come here. Pop. Pop. Boom. Oh.
The base of the bridge is secure.
If he just, maybe he just didn't want to order. Oh. Oh. Okay, yeah, the cinematography in this is crazy. It's so good. Oh man, I wonder how this is on hard mode. See, this should have this kind of stuff when it comes out. Jetpack battle.
I'll take this.
Kind of reminds me of that battle. Was it Man-Bat, I think, in the Arkham games with Batman?
You know,
Yeah.
I was hoping to face you.
Oh, that's a cool shot right there.
You a second thought.
Flying shield sword battle. Oh, oh, wait. Okay, dodge. Here we go. Shoot. Oh. Aim for the jetpack, I guess. Take him down. Sage. Good. Is this sword on fire? That's dope. Wonder where you get that from. Maybe it's like a black magic. Yeah, they could really go all out with some characters if they want to. Like, oh, there we go. Get that. Oh, I reloaded it all.
Not so fast.
Maybe. Oh, oh, wait. Different. There we go. Get his ass. Ooh. Yeah. You going nowhere, boy.
Oh, did I break your little
Oh.
jetpack?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it's
I have this.
not even a real shield.
Damn it. Hand it over.
Come and get it.
Yeah. Okay. Come here.
Taking your
Go,
usual
go.
notes.
Drop.
Now come
Oh,
on.
missed.
The more I fight, the more you learn, right?
Lock on. There we go. Okay. Got you. Oh, dodge. Oh. Yeah, just shooting. Oh, God. Okay. Gotta dodge more. Just run. Oh. Space.
These earthquakes keep getting bigger.
Yeah.
Entire western seaboard.
Cut
Get
off
his
from
ass.
your captain. You
Eat his
Avenger.
ass.
You're interrupting.
Cut off from your captain. You Avenger.
Come on.
Hand over the detonator and
Oh.
maybe I won't
Okay,
rock kick
can
you
do
off
that.
this bridge.
Get a wide. Oh shit! Fire! Damn it! Just let me kick you in the face. No. Oh. Jump! 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 Oh! Down! 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 Oh! Ow. There you go. go. Oh, what the fuck? What was that? Yeah, personal. Oh shit! God. No, get away. Oh, half health. Oh! I don't know what that sound was, but it seemed appropriate at the time. Damn it! Grappling hook. Shit. Nope. Okay.
Your dance ends now.
Oh. Red. Okay. Alright. Yeah.
Must be frustrating. Always one step behind.
Run.
You're after the Chimera, aren't you? What are you gonna do with it?
Chopping
Sell it
mines?
to the
Oh,
highest bidder?
oh, a
I'm
lot.
after something much more valuable.
Ah, too
What's
soon.
that?
I won't spoil the surprise.
Stumbling. Oh, that's gonna be hard while going around. Okay. Oh, oh, oh no! Jump, jump. I want a sword. There we go. Oh, damn. Did I get him? A little bit. Oh! Oh! Come, everybody gets a shield. Stupid trigger buttons. Oh no! Yeah, don't get him. Yes. Oh no. I kinda just want to shoot him, but it wasn't doing anything earlier. Almost got it. Get it. One more should do it. Yes. Dodge. Dodge. Yeah. Okay. Oh, handsome. No, come on, get it. Yeah. A little more. Nope.
Still trying to
Okay.
piece it together?
You giving up?
Not a
Where'd this one
chance.
go?
So,
Oh no.
where's your investigation left?
Dude, that moves? Oh shit.
That you're not the brains behind
Ah.
this. And this
Oh, no.
smells like distraction. I'm done talking.
Oh, what the? Oh, her ultimate.
What's the matter?
Oh, shit.
Don't like surprises?
Can't block what you can't see. Yeah, get him. Pop, pop, pop.
Next time, take better notes.
Oh, shit. Oh. We just do that in the first place. We got the thing. There we go. The illegal bomb.
Guess you saw that coming, huh?
Nice.
You think you've won?
What the hell are you talking about?
Look around, Romanoff. The world will remember
That's right.
this
Second taskmaster.
day their heroes failed them.
Uh-oh. This seems slightly ominous. Oh shit, it's still going.
City's collapsing.
Damn it, they played us.
Oh no.
Steve, can you hear me? Get the hell out of there!
Hey, get her out of it. Come on. Get she still down? Jesus. Get out of there, Cap. No! No. No. Oh shit. City. Okay, well, Miss Marvel made it out though.
5 years ago,
Damn.
the Avengers paraded dangerous, untested technology, causing damage on an unprecedented scale.
Uh-oh.
Our beloved Captain America was killed during the attempted
There's no way
theft
he's
of this
dead. You can't kill him
technology.
off that quickly.
Thousands of other
It's Captain
innocent
America.
people died, and many more.
Calling it right
the
now, guys.
stars of what
You
has
heard it
come
here.
to be known as A-Day. Hundreds fell sick, encased in strange cocoons,
shit.
only to emerge with dangerous,
See, a human
otherworldly powers.
disease
With
thing.
no known cure, the disease has spread across the country, and while both S.H.I.E.L.D. and the Avengers promised to rectify the situation, it was Dr. Banner's testimony that brought about the end of
What'd you
an
do,
era.
Bruce?
You so-called heroes transformed San Francisco into an infectious, gas-filled quarantine
Oh,
zone.
snap.
You unleashed diseased, powerful beings that wreak havoc throughout our nation. Many still lay dormant, unidentified.
Damn.
So I ask you again, Dr. Banner, do the Avengers pose a danger to society?
The center is ugly.
Their activities outlawed, the once mighty heroes disbanded.
Damn, Bruce.
But out of tragedy,
Oh, no.
hope. After the government liquidation of Stark Industries, Dr. George Tarleton, himself a victim of A-Day and founder of Advanced Idea Mechanics,
Oh,
thinks
no.
science is the
AIM?
solution to our nation's
I
problems.
can already tell where this is
I
going.
wish I knew what happened to Captain
They planned that
Rogers
shit.
day, but I was
Oh,
nowhere
no.
near the reactor room. I don't have those answers, but I can.
Wait, how did he make it out of there alive? The Cap.
I will use this second chance.
That seems
to
fishy to
make
me.
You safe. AIM will find a cure for the
Yep.
inhuman disease.
Super fishy. And they got Stark Tower too. Damn. Well, that was an exciting first episode, but alright. If you guys want to see more, drop a like, leave a comment in the comment section. And I'm definitely going to keep playing this, so see you guys next time.